Hi everyone, I am opening Creo for explaining about Revolve. So click on Open for setting working directory. So click on Open. Select one folder, right click and set as working directory. Open, cancel. After that, for new part, click on New. Part name 1, part solid, OK. Click on MMNS part solid, OK. First, hide planes. And shaded with edges for nice visualization. Click on front plane and display. Click on revolve. This revolve by clicking and by using 3D center line. So this is 3D center line like axis. Use it as axis. And normal center line, use it as for making symmetry. I am drawing one rectangle for diameter. It is diameter 50. I am keeping 100 length. So you can coincidence two lines, one center line and rectangular line. I will click on Ctrl Z for showing symmetry. For symmetry, click on it and 2 points select and one center line. You can see you can adjust equally lengths high and low. I am keeping 150 and viewing 3D center line. 3D view. So you can remove material by angle and adding material by angles. Clicking on arrows, you can adjust that side and this side. So this is variable 1. I am setting 200. This is variable 2 for adding material and reducing material. So I will show thickness also. So by clicking on thickness, you can adjust thickness. So I will keep 50. By keeping 50 or high, you cannot give thickness. I am showing that. You can see 40 thickness also not showing and 20 thickness also not show. So you can keep 2 mm thickness. I will show you by keeping 2 mm thickness. Yeah, it is working. After that, I will keep 5 mm thickness also. Okay, 5 mm. You can see it will add it. Okay. I am deleting this. And I will show without drawing 3D center line. I will show how to revolve. So first click on front plane and extrude. You want one material for without 3D center line revolve. Okay, click on OK and I will keep 100 mm length. Okay. After that, click on surface and revolve. I will draw one rectangle. Okay. Click on OK. After that, click on one edge line for center line. You can see clicking on edge, you will get center line and revolve it. So after that, you can click any edge. I will show by clicking side edge also. So this is the side edge revolve. By clicking on edges, you can adjust center axis. After that you can adjust by variable also. So first one is variable 1 and bottom one is variable 2. I will keep 270 and by clicking up to surface, you can see you can click first variable 1 only up to surface. So I will show you. I will keep it variable and I will select variable 1 as selected surface. You can see it was worked. And other side you can use angle also for extend and remove material. By remove material you can click removal icon also. I will show it. You can see by clicking on removing material, material will be removed. Yeah, it removed material. After that you can click thickness also. For removing material in thickness I will keep 5 mm. You are seeing, yeah. And without clicking removing material, you can see it worked as shell. So this is the revolving process. So I think I explained well. You understand, and after understanding, if you have any doubt, comment below. After that you can like, share and subscribe. After subscribing you will get one bell icon. Click on it for my notifications. And thank you. Bye bye.